Hi, I'm Joanna, and today Damon is going to be reviewing a bedsheet organizer.
Hi, I'm Damon, and I'm going to be reviewing these bedsheet organizers. It's a 4-pack, so let's go ahead and open it. So as you can see, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and put them together. So you'll want to get your sheets, put it in the middle, fold the side with the zippers. You'll put the zippers together just like a jacket or a sweater. Zip it up. And you have the Velcro for the sides. And then that's how you put your sheets in there. This can be used for more than just sheets, but for this example, we're using sheets. Then you also have, you have this window, so you can see what sheets are in there or what you have in here. You have this leather strap for carrying and easy storage, so you can just pull it out of wherever you have it at. And then you have this little paper here, so you can write on there. For my example, this is a king bed sheet, so brown king bed sheet. And then that way you know exactly what's in here just by looking at it. You can store it sideways like this or like this, just depends on how you want to do it. But this can be used for more than just sheets. So here's an example of these organizers in my linen closet. As you can see, I have sheets on this side that are not put up versus the ones that are in here. You can tell that I have sheets in here by this window, and if I were to use this place card to say or write on there what is in this bag, then these 3 are empty. I have my other sheets on the right that I can put in there, so this looks a lot more organized than just having it like sit over there like that, folded up, or like that on the other side. The good thing about these as well is that you can lay them down if you choose to, have them straight up, however you want to help organize your closet. You still have the windows and the placeholder cards as normal. Easy to just like, okay, I just want to pull this one, or if I want to pull these and just leave that one there, I can just use a handle. It's a very nice handle too. Alright, so when it comes to these organizers, I would definitely recommend them. I like the fact that they're easy to put together. They have this window that you can see through so that you know what's in here. Your leather strap that's easy to carry. They have the card that you can just put whatever you need here. And they save space versus having just like my sheets out and just sitting in the linen closet. I can, instead of just having them stacked like that, this looks so much better in my closet. Helps me stay organized. And yeah, this is something I would definitely recommend.